Good everybody, welcome back. On this video is for a 2005 Nissan Murano, and it's for the alternator. I seen some other videos, but some of them they took out the, don't mind my finger. They took out the, what's it called, the radiator. So from what I did, I took out the covers that are right here. So go ahead and take those off. Whenever I came, they didn't have no plastic pins, so they were already pretty much taken off. So after you guys do that, go ahead and first of all disconnect the battery, negative side. Might as well disconnect both of them because you're gonna be taking it out. So it's gonna be sitting right here, and there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. I believe those are 10 millimeters. I can't remember, but yeah, go ahead and remove those. That way you can remove the tray, and so you can remove this box right here for the fuse box, and it's just this little pins right here, so you just push them down. And after you do that, that way you can have enough room to be able to take out that the fans. So after you take out the cover for the battery, go ahead and remove the 2 bolts that the fan has, and go ahead and unplug all the wires that it has as well. And it just has 2 wires, 2 connectors, which are these, but I went ahead and removed them. So the way to take these out, you just go ahead and push it right here on top, right here, and then you just pull it back. So go ahead and remove them, put them to the side right here. That's where I put them at. And after you do that, go ahead and take out the fan cover. The fan, my bad. And what else? Take out this cover right here. I took it off because whenever I was taking out the fans, it was hidden a little bit. You might not be able to, fit it. You probably can, not too sure. So the next step I did, go ahead and jack the car up, put in jack stands, my bad. And after you do that, go ahead and loosen up the tension, and it's gonna be a bolt right here, and get it with the swivel. And I believe that's a 14 millimeters. And then after you loosen this one up, go ahead and go to the side, and you're gonna loosen that pulley right here. So that pulley is gonna have this bolt, and that's a 14 millimeter. Go ahead and loosen that up, take out the belt, and yeah, just put everything back how you had it. After you do that, I went ahead and took out the cover for the manifold. And sorry I didn't did this whenever I was doing it, but I just decided to do it because most of the people that I seen, they took out the radiator. They did it so other ways as well, but this way is pretty easy as well. And before you take out the alternator too, disconnect the connector that goes to the, I believe, yeah, the one that's right there on the top of the compressor. Go ahead and disconnect that. That way you can move it to the side. What else? I went ahead and took out this bracket that goes right here, and it's right here holding the alternator, but that's until a little bit later on. I just want to let you guys know you got to take that bracket off. So yeah, go ahead and remove, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 10 millimeters. Go ahead and remove the O2 sensor. That way you can have enough room to pull it up and then to the side, and then that way you can pull it up right here where the battery was, because if not, you're gonna be hitting this right here, so it's not enough room. You probably get away with it and pull it out from here, but this is way easier pulling it out from right here by the battery once you take out this, because if not, it's gonna be hidden on this cover. What else? So for the alternator, I believe it's a 12 millimeters, 2 12 millimeters, and one of them is gonna be on that bracket I was telling you guys right here on top, and the other one is gonna be on the bottom side. So the easiest way to take out that bolt, which is this one right here, is when you're taking it out, I know my hands are super dirty, This car do have some oil dripping and stuff. So yeah, the bolt is like this, and you see this little thing right here, this edge, so it's holding on the alternator, that way it don't move. But when you keep loosening it up, and you know, you're gonna push the bolt like that, and then it's gonna move just freely. So what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and put something from the back, that way you can push it like this, and you can take out that nut. So once you do that, you just gotta take it out from the back. And the way you do that, let me see, the way I did it was right here. I put my hand right here behind the manifold and went ahead and just pull it out from the back. And it is gonna be a pain on the ass to put it back on, because you know, it's not a lot of space in there. And one thing I did forget to mention, you are gonna have to take this hose out. But yeah, that's how I did it. I just want to let you guys know. To me, it is pretty little bit less steps than taking out the radiator, and then you gotta, you know, bleed it out again and all that, and you're gonna have a real big mess, you know, if you don't have a bucket or anything like that. But yeah, and to put it on, just reverse. And yeah, hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions or anything like that, I did forgot to tell a couple little stuff here and there, like removing this bolt from the alternator and this connector as well, but you guys get the point. The thing is, I wanted to tell you guys about this way right here, that way, you know, you guys don't struggle too much, and it is really easy to put it on, to put it back on from here. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you guys want to see something specific on a truck or anything like that, just comment below, and if I get to that truck or car, make sure to do that video for you guys. And thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, see you in the next video.